Hey subbies! Today we are going to be talking about a very useful, helpful tip that will help all of you YouTubers. These are some tips that I've learned that have really helped improve my channel. This is going to be a video on how to be a 5-star YouTuber. These are a lot of tips there that I've learned from actually watching YouTube videos myself and implementing them on my channel, and I have noticed an amazing growth. The first tip I have there for creating a 5-star YouTuber experience for yourself is to have a beautiful banner there on your YouTube channel. It is very important because it gives your audience a glimpse of who you are. It is amazing there to be able to capture all of the wonderful essence there that is you from simply a picture speaking 1,000 words about giving people an introduction to your channel and what your channel is going to be benefiting others by providing them insight into the type of content there that you create. Another wonderful tip is to have a profile picture of your face on your YouTube channel, because it really helps for people who are new to your channel to be able to put a face to the name and a name to the face, much like you do in real life. And also, it's amazing there if you go to your YouTube channel, and it's easiest to do this on a desktop or laptop computer, is going to your channel and going to your edit option there on your channel, the edit this profile, and create a description about what your channel is about and a little bit about yourself, so that people can get an idea of what to expect on your channel, and to make it easier for YouTube/Google to categorize your channel there with its analytics and be able to make it easier to broadcast your channel there out to other YouTubers, and through its search engine there to make it easier for people to find you based on your words there that you use in your description. And it is very important there that you summarize what your channel is and what you're about in the first paragraph or so of your channel, because that is what YouTube and Google look at to get an idea of what to showcase your channel as. Another wonderful tip I have for being a 5-star YouTuber is to make playlists. I cannot stress enough there how helpful this is there for making it easier to also gain watch time, and to make it easier for YouTubers to also find your videos there, because they are all in a playlist of content there that is all of a similar type. It is very helpful to be able to create playlists there. You can simply go to your computer there and go to any of your videos there that you have created there on your channel, and click on one of them and click create playlist. And then from these playlists there you can categorize your videos into whichever playlist that you feel best captures what these videos are, to make it easier for people to binge watch these videos there, and to make it easy to gain watch time, because people aren't having to click to find the next video in a series, which this works also extremely well if you make series videos, to make it easier for them to go from part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, so on and so forth, so they don't have to search for each of your videos. Another wonderful tip there that I have found there is to join social media. If you haven't joined Twitter, if you haven't joined Instagram, what are you waiting for? It is going to be very helpful for you as a YouTuber to be on these social media platforms, to make it easier for you to self-promote your channel. Because if you don't self-promote, you are missing out on a lot of people there that can benefit from your channel and to benefit from your content, because you aren't sharing your content on other social media there where others can find you. It is very easy to create an Instagram account, and it's highly recommended to be able to take a screenshot or to simply click on a saved photo there of your YouTube thumbnails and share it in your story, and on your stories there on Instagram to use it as your main picture of your story, but then also add GIFs there to make it very lively and animated, of a bold new video sticker or a YouTube film clapper sticker there to make it easier there for YouTubers to get engaged and to be interested in your content there because of how vibrant and entertaining it looks. And a wonderful tip there that I've used there when sharing my YouTube videos on my Instagram stories is to take a screenshot of the video there that'll be premiering in the future there, that you have it set up there for to be uploaded at a later date, and screenshot it, and then make sure that when you take it into your Instagram story to then type in the name of the video, your channel name, to please subscribe and hit the notification bell, because this video will be premiering on this date at this time, to make it easier for people to know when your video will be premiering and be able to find your channel, so then they can do as you had given the call of action of doing, of subscribing to your channel and hitting the notification bell so they don't miss out. I've used this tip on a lot of my Instagram stories and it has helped a ton. And you can also feel free to just simply upload your thumbnail for your YouTube video as a standard picture on Instagram, so then people can also comment there on your YouTube video there to make it more interactive, so they can interact with you on all kinds of social media, as well as being sure to share your video link for your latest videos as well as your channel for YouTube on Twitter there. To do the easiest way to sharing your channel on YouTube, to sharing your YouTube channel on Twitter, is to simply type in your YouTube address, which would be www.youtube.com/your channel name, and it will on Twitter then pull up your profile picture for your YouTube to make it easier for YouTubers and social medias to quickly find your channel, because it will take them directly to your channel when they click on that link. I highly recommend you do the post for your YouTube channel of describing what your channel is and giving people on Twitter a idea of what to expect on your channel, and then just simply to include your channel link to your main channel so they can subscribe and hit the notification bell, which is very important so they don't miss out on any new uploads that you post on your channel, as well as tweeting out your videos there when they are going to go live. Like, I'd give it about a week there so then people can have some notice there of your upcoming videos, so then they can make sure to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so they don't miss out, as well as tweeting out again once your video is live, so you can gain a lot more interested people there from the video being brand new onto YouTube. Another wonderful way that you can be a 5-star YouTuber is by joining in on live streams. It is an amazing opportunity to expand your channel and to get to know other channels, as well as for other channels to get to know you. It is extremely helpful and extremely amazing to be able to interact on the social media platform there that you're wanting to expand yourself on. The wonderful YouTubers there that I've joined in on their live streams has been the Suds family, Nerd of the North. He is an amazing YouTuber. He truly is the kindest, most incredible YouTuber that I've ever seen. He even does some channel reviews there, where I've also learned a lot of my tips there is from watching his channel reviews and seeing what tips and advice he has to offer to YouTubers there that want to better themselves as content creators. He does a lot of helpful information there to help people become better YouTubers. I've learned a lot of tips from him. another live streamer that I watch that I really enjoy being able to meet new friends and find other ways to help my YouTube channel is by also watching Minx Laura's Wacky World. She is also another amazing YouTuber. I love going to live streams to make it easier to discover new channels and for them to discover me. A final channel that I've really enjoyed is also Robert Banks. He is a fitness YouTuber, but he also does live streams as well, typically during the week, Monday to Friday, so you can catch him on YouTube and be sure to keep up to date there with the YouTubers there when they post on their discussions or their community tab, to be able to be up to date in case they aren't going live, so then you can be up to date. That is a wonderful, amazing tip there to be able to expand your YouTube channel, is by going to these live streams, to introducing yourself to these live streams, to be able to see what content they provide, what tips there they can provide you, and to be able to mingle, to network. It is very important to network, so then you can get to know channels, they can get to know you. And I highly recommend also having the YouTube Studio app on your phone. Is a very helpful tool there for Android and iPhone users. You can edit your thumbnails on there by having your thumbnails there that you created. I use Fonto to create my thumbnails, and you save them onto your phone. And when you go into YouTube Studio there, you can click on the video there that you want to edit the thumbnail for, and then hit the pencil icon on that video, and you can simply change out your thumbnail right from your phone. It makes it super easy. And you can also edit your tags for your video right from that app, as well as the description for the video and the title for the video. And the best part of all is to interact with the comments that you will be getting on your YouTube channel right from your phone. To make it super easy when you're out and about, to be able to still interact with YouTubers that have commented on your videos, have asked you questions, without having to wait till you get to a computer to be able to respond to them. It makes it super easy and honestly a lot of fun. I hope these tips have helped you out a lot there. I love sharing what I learn with you guys, because nothing is better than sharing the wisdom there that you get with one another. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up, and that you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload by hitting the bell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, subbies!